Hey guys, it's Matt here from the Bull Call, and today I just want to quickly go over Lucid and how we are looking very strong from a technical standpoint right here. So let's get right into it. Let me pull up trading view for you guys here on the 4-hour charts. So as we can see here, the purple bars are support, and they're just support and resistance. And you can see that we're pretty much hitting resistance here at this $25 level, and we are pretty much ready to break out of it again. And as you can see, we did hit a nice bounce right here at 22, exactly where my little support area is right here. And these are pretty much for me, support and resistance areas are very rough, and that's why some of these bars are a little bit bigger and a little bit smaller than each other. And there's also, for me, sometimes a very big support area on just one specific line, and that's what this blue line is. And I've seen it bounce perfectly off this blue line multiple times, but it doesn't always work perfectly with a lot of support areas. But definitely when there's a big sell-off, it normally tends to bounce off a singular line, like it has on this $17 level that I have always bought, or I've thought about buying on this level, or even selling on this level. Right now, we are looking to pretty much test these $27, $28 levels, and that is supported by this golden cross that we had right here on the 22nd. And I've been saying on this channel for a while that golden crosses normally tend to affect the stock after it actually shows a golden cross. And I'll show you a prime example of AUPH. As you can see right here, we had a golden cross, waited a few weeks, and then we just saw a monstrous run upwards. That one's another company I really like, but today we're talking about Lucid, and a very nice bounce off this support area, and we are now hitting resistance in this pretty big $25 level. And the reason I have it as a pretty big area, I mean, yeah, maybe you could shorten it and make it a little bit smaller, make it between here, but there is a lot of resistance, and you can, if you just keep going back and charting, it's not a perfect science, obviously. There's no one specific reason that a stock goes up from a technical standpoint. This golden cross could mean nothing. It could really almost turn into a death cross, where this the 50 EMA will cross down below the 200 EMA at any time, and signifying that it's going down. But then at the same time, it could just rocket straight off of a death cross like it kind of did here. If you guys are liking the video so far, a like on the video and a subscribe to the channel would help immensely. So let's get right back into the video. It's not always a perfect science, and that's why for me, having these bigger bars, at least it has some kind of relevance. It shows you where there is support and resistance, and you have to be careful of buying calls or selling puts, or buying puts and all that kind of stuff at these certain levels. But right now, it is looking very bullish. As long as we break this like $26 level, we can totally see 28 or 27.5 in the next, I would say, week. By the end of this week, I could totally see this being at $28. And yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it for that's all I really want to talk about in this video. But let me pull up Webull real quick. At the open, we almost seem to have halted here, and I was not really able to watch this morning, so I didn't even notice that this really happened. But we had a very nice pump this morning, but it really doesn't seem like there's too much news on it. It just seems like a lot of trading was going on. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. We had a nice 5% up day today, and we are still looking strong for the end of this week. But yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.